Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. My name's Tammy. Thank you for coming to visit our channel. Today I want to introduce you to a friend of mine, and we will talk about what I'm going to be doing because my friend's not doing too good. So here's my friend. We call him Spike. He is an aloe plant, and as you can see, he's got some leaves turning brown, and I'm going to cut some off because I can still harvest these, and I'm going to show you how I do that, and then I'm going to talk to you about why he's not doing well, and what I'm going to do to get him in better shape, and how I'm going to use the aloe that I harvest. So let's get started. So when I first brought Spike home, he was in this bucket. Well, it's like a small white container bucket kind of style when I brought him home. And he quickly got really tall. I kept him indoors during the winter. We do keep our temperature thermostat set at 64 degrees. So I put a little heating pad under him because note, aloe prefer like between 55 and 80 degrees, but I was concerned 64 would be too cold. And I also thought that he looked like he was getting so top heavy in this small container. So I went ahead and I transplanted him into a large container. So once Spike was in his larger container for a while, I started to notice his leaves turning yellow, as you can see. I wasn't sure whether it was the soil, the repotting, and maybe the size of his new container, or maybe the fact that he didn't get enough sun. And I kind of thought, well, shoot, an aloe's a desert plant. He must need more sun. So I put him out on the porch, and then what happened was further browning of the leaves, which you all just saw. Here are just a couple of tips for growing aloe. They really prefer a temperature of 55 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, a soil pH of 7 to 8.5, and you can see the options here for soil. I used none of these. And also you can see that they prefer partial or indirect sunlight, which again I was not doing. Okay, so my solution was I was going to go ahead and transplant my aloe using an aloe vera soil blend. I could have made my own, but I really thought it'd be easier just to buy a pre-made kind since I only had one plant I was going to use it on. I didn't notice that great of a difference in the soil, but I did go ahead and transplant him. I trimmed all of the leaves, and he's now an indoor plant. So I'll show you what he's looking like now. All right, so here he is. He is in new potting soil. And Spike has had quite the haircut. As you can see, I harvested quite a few leaves, and I hope you all will watch my part 2 video that will be coming out soon, where I show you how you harvest aloe, and I talk a little bit about what I'm going to be using it for. Thank you so much for watching, you all, and I wish you the best of luck in growing your aloe. And again, everybody and everything we do, good and bad, y'all, try to keep your joy.